What it do, what it do, what it do, YouTube? Hey, one time for the one time, it is your girl Minnie, and I am back at it with another flipping video. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, because you don't want to miss out on any of these good vibes that I have going on over here. So yes, I am doing a review on this hair. But before we get into this review, me and Bae, we definitely do have a couples channel. We decided to do a couples channel to separate the two. Over there, it's nothing but jokes. I'm definitely a jokester. So, yeah, if you want to see that side of me, head over to that channel, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And yeah, let's just get into this video. Alright, so I have this Freetress light lace front wig, and this was $59.99. Yeah, so let's try this bad boy out. It gives you all the washing instructions, and it has different colors. And this is a shake and go wig in the color line safe up to 400. The color that I have is the OT27. So this is not the color I initially wanted. I think I'm satisfied with this color too. It's like a brownish honey blonde type of thing. Alright, so the lace is type brown. It does have baby hairs, as you can see. It has a nice size part. It has the comb in the nape area, the elastic band, the comb on the temples. Yeah, the construction of the wig is pretty basic. So let me adjust it to my liking. Oh, this is nice. I'm feeling like Queen Bee, Beyonce up in here. Nah, homie, this is real nice. Look at that. Stop playing, bruh. Let me cut the lace because I am too geeked right now. And look at the part. I don't even need baby hairs, but I'm gonna put it just for the sake of this video. And it does go side ear to side ear, as you can see. So if you want to glue it down just a little bit, which I never do, because I ain't doing nothing crazy. But I do love the length of it. As you can see, the length is like really long. If you want to see the back, let me show you the back. So now that I have that, I'm gonna put powder onto the lace. This is definitely a steal. I really don't have any issues. This is like one of my favorites now. I'm probably gonna be wearing this all the time. It's definitely a shake and go, and it's definitely long, and it's definitely flowy. Like, what else could you want, sis? I definitely give this 10s all across the board. I love the construction of the wig. I love the parting, the part in the wig. That's what I'm saying. Middle part's been giving me life lately. I don't know why, but this is fire. So, yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. And until next time, peace.